Speed Momentum Tools. Split data into separate sheets. If you have data that needs to be split into separate sheets based on unique values in a specific column, such as the GL account column in this example, use the Split into Separate Sheets tool. First, select the range of data you want to split, ensuring that it includes the headers. A new window will appear, prompting you to select the column to use for splitting the data. After selecting the desired column, click OK to proceed. Less than 2 seconds to split over 100,000 rows. You can use the following tool to auto-fit the columns. You can also use the Sheet Order Manager, which provides an overview of all sheets. Allows you to rearrange their order and helps you quickly navigate to the desired sheet. Thank you for watching the video. Visit our website at www.speed-momentum.com to explore over 120 tools in Excel, and don't forget to check out our YouTube channel to discover even more tools